So I'm getting ready to do my night riding for about half an hour or so around my neighborhood block. I have my light on and I have my helmet, light flashing here, ready to go for a nice ride. That is how my light looks like. I can turn it up. Pretty nice night. I'm going uphill right now, so a little wobbling. It's a good workout to reduce my cholesterol. Anyway, so what it's like. See the lights over there? Pretty dark in this section here. So he was on the left hand side. So I'm going downhill. Probably gonna turn off the camera because I'm using one of my hands. I should have got those chest strap for the iPhone. It's pretty nice. Yeah, I'm going down.